Dear students, welcome back to this video snapshot of the course that is now ready for you, okay, at the Moodle platform of the university. Now you can see here, everything is now almost final for you. So there are the objectives of the course, the textbooks where you're relying on, video tutorials, slides for you, exercises, slides, models part 1, objectives, video tutorials, slides, exercises, etc. Models part 2, objectives, tests, slides, exercises for you. I have included plenty of exercises taken from your book that you wanted to do, please. Gerunds and infinitives, okay, tests, slides, PDFs, exercises for you, okay, gerunds and infinitives, tests, slides, okay, and the last chapter. So this is the course now ready for you. So please hope that you like it and you find it interesting and helpful for you. I really hope so. And if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me, and wish you a good journey with your Grammar 2 online course. Thank you very much.